What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So I try to look at SoFi every week. So last week, Tuesday, price closed right around the 1530 level. And you see that since then, this week after that has been pretty bullish. So price made a new 52-week high, but not a new all-time high. So overall, price is still in a bullish trend, and most likely we will see higher prices. So are we going to continue higher from where we currently are, or are we going to see a pullback in the chart? It's really hard to say, but either way, I would still expect higher prices just based on where we are on the chart and what the macro structure is telling me. We did see a nice break above that $14 level in the past, so most likely if we do pull back to that level, it will try to be acting as support. It's not guaranteed, but the keyword is potential support because it was prior resistance, and it looks like it could be acting as a potential support in the future. So overall, trend still looks pretty good. Again, my target for SoFi is at the $24 level. That's where this triple top is at. So that's a good logical level for the bulls to get to. I think we can get there. Overall, I mean, the chart has been just really bullish for the most part. This has been a very strong move up, and maybe we are in a steeper trend line now. So if you go take a trend line off the swing lows, we could be in a steeper trend line. So as long as price is above this trend line and above the second one, the bull trend is still in play. Even if we do see a break of it, I would still expect higher prices because we could be forming a shallower uptrend as well. So overall, SoFi is just still looking very strong. It's looking pretty good. It's at the high of its trend. We could just be seeing some sort of pullback because it barely passed the prior high. So this could be a slight double top that could lead to a drop. But overall, chart is still bullish. Macro chart. Take a look at the weekly. Price is a little bit overextended from that EMA, but it's been overextended. So this tells me that it's a strong trend and we can continue to see higher prices develop. Again, the logical target is at the $24 level at this triple top zone. And as long as price stays above that $14 level after a big pullback, I think that's fine. Most likely we'll see price continue trending up higher. So overall, that's all I have for SoFi Technologies. Very easy to analyze. Macro trend is up. Short term is also up, but it could be showing signs of weakness, meaning a correction is near. But overall, I mean, as long as SoFi continues to make higher highs, higher lows, I think we're going to reach that $24 level because there wasn't a lot of resistance built up in the past. It was just a quick drop down. So it can just as easily go back up and probably exceed these prior highs. The all-time high is right around that $28 level. So even if it gets up to 24 and we break it, I think we could probably see a new all-time high for SoFi Technologies. So overall, we'll see what happens. But the technicals are looking pretty good. Fundamentals, you can take a look at the annual income statement. Looks like the revenue has been increasing year over year with a slight loss, but the loss seems to be less year over year as well on the net income side. But overall, it looks like they're growing more profitable and having more revenue take place as well. So overall, technicals and fundamentals look pretty good. So all I have for SoFi Technologies on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.